Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Enough free storage and a saved backup of game progress. Once done, close every background app to free RAM and speed. Next, open storage and identify large folders. Delete obsolete downloads and clear app cache for your biggest offenders. Make sure to uninstall unused apps. This is faster than moving things piecemeal. You'll want immediate space recovered so later steps run cleanly and you avoid corrupted installs. Now you do the detailed work. Move photos, videos, and large documents to an SD card or external disk. This liberates gigabytes for games. Then run the storage manager to remove residual files and duplicates. If needed, use a trusted cleaner to inspect cache folders. Once tidy, reinstall large games to the preferred drive or move them with the system tool. Make sure to update the game and platform software so installs align with optimized storage locations. Finish by verifying game files and launching each title to confirm stability. You should tweak in-game graphics or cache limits to prevent future bloat, lower texture packs or clear shader caches if needed. Once everything runs, schedule periodic cleanups to maintain space. If a game still crashes or won't install, reset the app's data or fully reinstall the game platform. This often clears corrupt settings. Key tip: if problems persist after that, restore from your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.